Today's video we will be seeing which pistol is better, the MK50 sidekick or the plasma pistol. Stick around to the end of the video to find which one is better. First we will check the headshot hits and then we will check the body hits.
Fast button.
1,
30
2,
seconds
3, 4,
remaining.
5, 6, 7. It will take 7 headshot hits to kill one player. Okay, let's check the body hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will take 9 body hits to kill one player. Okay, let's check plasma pistol.
Go. Act fast button.
1, 2,
30
3,
seconds
4,
remaining.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will take 10 headshot hits to kill one player. That's more. But let's see the body hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5.
It will take
4,
17 body hits
3,
to eliminate
2,
one player.
1.
Overall, the MK50 sidekick outperforms in headshot hits and body hits than the plasma pistol. I would recommend people to not use the plasma pistol for now and use the stick with the MK50 sidekick instead. This is me and I'm out. Peace.